Okay, hello guys. Today I will talk about how to plotting a data from a file of Notepad file like that. This is a X-ray data. So I have many data here. I want to plotting this thing. This is the X axis and this is Y axis. So if I copying this data to Excel, I got the number is merged, so I cannot plot this because this is in one cell. We should make it in different cell. So how to do this? You can use insert tool. So going to file in your Excel and then open your data. Make sure this have been changed to all file. If the default is all Excel file, so the Notepad data will not shown here. So click change to all file and then open the data, the Notepad, and then click the eliminated. Make sure this chose, and then click next, and then in this dialog there is what will you separate. We know the separate is space, so click the space. So your data will be like this, and then next, finish. Okay, we got this data. So the data have been separate. This is different cell. So since it's like that, you can plot it by yourself. Control Shift N. Okay, then insert, plotting, and finish. So it is simple. So you can make a graph from Notepad data. Thank you.